Not on the same page, a judge just struck down a plea deal between President Biden's son and prosecutors over federal charges. Thanks for being here today. I'm Julian Glover.
And I'm Kristen Z. Hunter Biden and his lawyers were working to hammer out the details of a plea deal related to federal tax charges and a disposition on a gun charge.
It was expected both sides enter the courtroom in agreement, but after questioning from the judge, prosecutors and Hunter Biden's legal team realized they were not on the same page. ABC's Rena Roy joining us live now at the courthouse in Wilmington, Delaware, with more on today's major development. Hi there, Rena.
Hi, Kristen and Julian. Yeah, that's right. Well, things certainly took a turn in court today. Both sides were expecting to come to a deal, but instead the judge deferred that agreement and Hunter Biden pleaded not guilty.
The president's son, Hunter Biden, facing a federal judge in Wilmington, Delaware today. And now a deal between federal prosecutors and Hunter Biden is in jeopardy of falling apart. There's a brief recess as the parties try to come to terms.
Hunter, how do you feel after taking the plea deal?
Back in June, Hunter Biden agreed to plead guilty to 2 misdemeanor tax charges and accept a pre-trial diversion program in exchange for prosecutors dropping a felony charge for illegal possession of a firearm. That program requires steps like no illegal drug use. If Hunter Biden follows those rules, he'll likely avoid prison time, getting probation instead. Today's hearing already making headlines on Tuesday. The judge threatened to sanction Hunter Biden's legal team after she found that a staffer might have misrepresented her identity in communications with the court clerk. Hunter Biden's lawyers calling it an unfortunate and unintentional miscommunication, including a sworn affidavit from the staffer. Meanwhile, Republicans have criticized the arrangement, calling it a sweetheart deal, though it was negotiated by Trump-appointed U.S. Attorney for Delaware, David Weiss, who President Biden kept in his role to oversee the probe.
If you take the politics out of it entirely, you just talk to lawyers who deal with the tax cases, or you look at the particular gun charge, they will tell you that it is a tough argument to make that somehow he's getting a particularly good deal here. Some would even say he wouldn't have been charged at all if he hadn't been Hunter Biden.
The president has repeatedly defended his son and himself against GOP allegations of corruption.
I'm very proud of my son.
And Republican lawmakers have threatened to impeach President Biden and Attorney General Merrick Garland over this investigation. They are also slamming Weiss, who has offered to testify under oath before Congress. Kristen?